We are group number 1 and we will present our final word of the International Business Plan course. We are in quinoa. We produce and harvest organic quinoa. We're going to start with the rocket pitch. Um, it's almost time for lunch and I haven't been able to finish my work to do so or get something to eat. However, I heard they have a new snack in the cafeteria. We'll see how it is. This little monologue represents the reality of many people, youth adults and elder people. The fast pace of life of the people forces them to need food that is easy to prepare and easily accessible. It comes to mind. Quinoa? Hi sir, I'm Hiroshi Tokashiki and I'm the operational manager of INQUINOA. Lucky to see you here. We would like to talk you with over the weekend in the cafeteria of the building. Here's my business card. I hope you can make it.
Shared went and crossed Scott. Next, navies Amanda Squat and strange and deficit of proceeds planes in the air development of sapons or industrial input comics comestics weekends initially low negotiation capacity in sales, low prior working and capital and financing opportunities and develop certification of the products growing target market for nutraceuticals and nutricomics, comestics and traits and police change in the destination constraint oversupplies due to change of destination US export and protectionism. Next, cross road opportunities and the, the art and opportunities strength in investing the becoming market for better use of the siphons. There is strength 0.12 start the bridge process of the new varieties of quinoa, which find that in line with the consumption habit of Japan. Opportunities weakness intensive the sheer for potential clients to increase the power of the negotiation itself. At the weekends, 0.63 spines the client's portfolio the, to increase saves and avoid arbitrate. Next.
My name, my name is Gianfranco Saldarriaga. In the second chapter, I will explain about selection of Japanese market and target market selection matrix. Next, please. Quinoa is mainly exported to North America and Europe. However, we want to focus the sale toward the Asian market. We have selected Japan as the first Asian country to supply the growing demand of healthy products. Uh, According to Veritrade, Japan is the fifth largest importer within Asian country. Um, okay, okay, and no, back, please. But the population of this country is limited and the market is relatively small. except for Japan. Japan is one of the most populated countries with the largest number of elderly people who care about their health. For the market target selection matrix, we have considered of other factors to evaluate the Japanese market compared to other Asian countries. For this analysis, Malaysia was chosen because it's a new member of the TPP trade agreement, and the Turkey because it's a potential country in terms of economy and population size. For this analysis, the tariff barrier and the purchasing power per capita were highly valued. At this point, Japan has the advantage. This country is acceptable to start the sale. The Asian market still has little information to invest directly by opening its own, for example, opening its own store. Therefore, the risk of business formalization in the destination country wasn't highly valued because we only export to Japan. Next.
I'm Giorgio Pastor. I will talk about the main strategic marketing design. To do this, we consider two fundamental strategies. The next, please. The first strategy brand awareness. The objective is strengthen the connection with potential clients and consumer during the first year after the start of operation. Our activities adapt the promotion of the brand through digital channels, tags, implement the web page, social network, and YouTube, translate and publish the information one, the production process, how to use quinoa, nutrition details, and certification, contact main import consulting companies in Japan, and publish contact information and other relevant information on the page of the Peruvian Embassy in Japan, international trade promotion entities in Japan, such as JETRO, the Japan External Trade Organization, and the indicator number of rotation to rise in digital channels for every month, and number of visit category by type of user for every month. And the second strategy about market penetration. The principal objective increase sales to an average 6% for each quarter during the three and quarter of the first year, from month 6 to month 12, and second year. The activities adapt the service of the first orders about tax, personalities serve new clients through video conferencing and share document with product details by virtual channel, and the indicator will be percentage of complete transaction of the total attention to increase for wholesale companies and distributor in digital channel for each quarter and amount of sale of quinoa for each quarter. Now my partner will continue with the next point.
My name is Danexa Salgado, and I will talk about the scheduling of activity. The main purpose of scheduling is to minimize production time and cost. Of course, the company must keep the expiration day of the customers. We have also analyzed each time that is carried out by each process for the cleaning of the quinoa and how long it will take to make the quinoa.
Now we continue with the financial plan. Here's Tokashiki. And we can see that in the first years, the production is quite high, but as the years go, by the land will produce less. That is why in the first years of work, we will obtain more sales, since we will produce more. However, as the years go by, we will increase the amount of land planted. So uh, that's why we see how the net profit increase year after year. Next, please. Instead of buying the plant and the planting land, we decided to rent in order to reduce the initial investment and therefore the amount of the loan requested. That is why the cash flow was highly benefit. We went from almost 4 million of the investment to 420,000 dollars. Next, please. In the general balance, we consider in the assets the cash, our inventory, that are the seeds of quinoa that we will keep for the next harvest, and the office equipment, the operative equipment, giving us a total of assets of $661,000. In the liabilities, we consider the short-term debts that are the rent of the land of the plant and the land of the production, and the long-term debts that that is the loan that we will pay. The total liabilities are 558,000 dollars. In the heritage, we consider the plant equipment, the land equipment, and it give us a total heritage of $85,000 approximately. We have a total liabilities plus the heritage 85,000. Uh, we have the total heritage of $85,000. Next, please. Thank you so much.